Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to access the library resources from your Canvas dashboard. So, as you can see, I'm on Canvas right now, and if I scroll down on this left-hand menu, towards the bottom there is an icon for the library. It's right between the Help icon and the Logout icon, and if you click on this, it will take you to our library homepage. You can always also access the library homepage from the main page of Chandler Gilbert Community College along this top bar, and once you're here we have a lot of resources for you to do research, whether you're on campus or anywhere else. So some of the things that are located on our library homepage include our hours for both the Pecos location and the Williams location. If you want to come in and visit us, we are always very excited to see students and help you with research. And if the library is closed, we also have a service called Ask a Librarian, which allows you to speak with a librarian through a 24/7 chat anytime, day or night, if you have questions on research and need to get that paper done. In addition, we have some tools in our student toolbox for citing sources for both the MLA and APA, and some research guides as well, which can be very useful for some of your research activities. In addition, we have our e-resources collection. Now this is the main thing I wanted to show you today, because this is where we house all of our databases. And databases are an exceptionally useful research tool. In another video, I'll go a little bit more in detail about how to use some of our databases. However, for right now, I just want to show you how to access them when you're off campus. So I know this list looks very large and kind of intense, and it's a little bit overwhelming. So I want to show you my first place to go when I'm just beginning to do research on a topic and I want to learn more about that topic and some of the background information. I like to go right here to Gale Virtual Reference Library. It's right underneath our reference selection, and it is a database of subject encyclopedias, which means that it is full of different encyclopedias on different topics, and it collects a lot of different information for you to start your research and learn more about a topic. So if I click on this, you'll see that I'm taken to a proxy page where I have to enter my MEID and password, and that happens when you are off campus and still need to log into our resources. The databases are here as a service for students. They are something that the library purchases for you to use, and so in order to access them you have to log in. And once I'm logged in and the page fully loads, you can see that we have arrived at the Gale Virtual Reference Library. Now in another video, I will show you some of the tips and tricks for how to search this library and use it effectively. However, for right now, I just wanted to show you how to get here. Now, if for some reason your MEID and your password are not working and it will not allow you to log in, please go back to our library page, and you can find our library main page either through this link right here or up at the top. It'll take you there either way. And from this page, please contact either the circulation desk at Pecos at this number right here, or the circulation desk at Williams at this number right here, and they can check your MEID and make sure that you're in our system and should be able to access our databases. If something is going wrong, we can also point you to someone who can help. Alright, that is everything I have for this video. Until next time.